Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to go live on TikTok on MacBook Pro. Using Streamlabs Desktop, download and install the Mac compatible version of Streamlabs Desktop from the official website. Launch Streamlabs Desktop and log into your TikTok account. After logging in, you will likely need to click a notification bell or learn more to find an option to apply for live streaming permission. Submit the required information, which may include a link to another streaming platform. Once approved, set up your camera, microphone, and screen as sources within Streamlabs Desktop. Add a stream title and category and click the Go Live button to start your stream. Join a career network. Using OBS with the stream key via a third-party platform. Join a free creator network such as Reream, which can provide you with a stream key and server URL for TikTok. Download the Mac version of OBS Studio from its official website, log into Reream through the browser, and TikTok as a channel, and then copy the provided stream URL and stream key from the Reream dashboard. In OBS, configure the output settings by pasting the Reream URL as the server and the stream key. Add your camera and display capture, configure your vertical canvas settings for TikTok, and then click the Go Live button within OBS and Reream to start your stream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.